Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to discuss mathematical operators in JavaScript. So not only can we use variables to store simple data like a number or a string, but we can also use mathematical assignment operators to calculate new values and assign them to a variable. So if we go to the console, let's declare a variable and we'll call it myDogs, and we'll give it the value of 2. So if we want to increment the myDogs value by 1, we simply select the variable myDogs and we say let's make myDogs current value, which is 2, and let's add 1 to it. So if we check the value of myDogs, we can see that the value is 3. Now we can also do the same using other mathematical operators such as subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if we declare a new variable, we'll call it myShoes, and we'll give it the value of 10. Now say we want to decrease that value by 5. We simply select the myShoes variable, and remember we don't add the let keyword when we're selecting a variable because that means that we're declaring a new variable if we use the let keyword. But we're simply just selecting the variable myShoes that we've already created. We just simply access the variable by its name, myShoes, and then we say let's make the current value of myShoes, which is 10, and let's decrease it by 5. And you can see it returns 5, but if we double check console.log myShoes, the value is 5. Now there's an easier way to reassign a variable, and that is to use an inbuilt mathematical assignment operator. So we can select the myShoes variable, which is currently 5, and let's say we want to decrease it by 3. Well, instead of writing equals myShoes subtract 3, we can instead write the minus equals 3. So what this basically means is the value on the right is to be subtracted from the value of the variable on the left. So in this case we're saying let's deduct 3 from 5. So if we press enter, we get 2. So just to confirm, console.log myShoes, and then we have it, 2. Now there are 2 other mathematical assignment operators I want to discuss, and they are the increment and decrement operators. So the increment operator looks like this. It's 2 pluses together, and the decrement operator is 2 minuses together. So if we use the myShoes variable above, and the current value is 2, now if we want to add 1 to the myShoes variable, we can do it like this. We can select the myShoes variable, and then we can put plus plus. We press enter. Now it shows here 2, but that's the current value before it's been incremented. So if we want to double check what the myShoes variable value is at the moment, we can do console.log myShoes and press enter, and you can see that it has been incremented by 1 using the increment operator. We can also do the same for the decrement operator. So its current value of myShoes is 3, so we can say myShoes minus minus and press enter. Again, to double check, we do console.log myShoes, and we can see that it has been decremented by 2. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.